Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry. I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone and Best. And today we're going to be doing a short video on how to link the new HCR4 remote control with the newer EIT1 island range hood made by Broan. The first thing you want to do before you link the remote is make sure that there was no power hooked up to this unit. If power was energized to the unit, go to that circuit breaker, turn power off, let it sit for 30 seconds and reapply power, and then you can go through the linking process. And I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to apply power to my hood. I have it just sitting on a bench for video purposes and have a cord wired to it. So I'm going to go plug mine in and power it up just like you would if you were flipping the breaker. Power is applied. The hood did beep, just let me know. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold this power button on the range hood, and I'm going to do that for approximately 15 seconds. It'll let me know. It just beeped. Everything is flashing. All you have to do is press any button on this remote control, and now this remote is linked to the unit. And we can test it by turning on the lights, turning off the lights. Here's fan speed 1, fan speed 2. And I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. I'm going to take a little closer look here, bring it up to you. If you take a look, the button to the right is the light button. And you just press that, and you can press it until it goes on high to turn it off. Just keep pressing it and the light will turn itself off. The button to the left is a time delay. If you get done cooking and there's still heat on that cooktop, press that button. The range hood will run for 10 minutes and it'll turn itself off. The up button is the blower button. That'll take it to the top speed. If you just keep pressing it, it'll be speed 1, speed 2. It'll go up to the top. And to lower it, it's the arrow down button. Just press it. It'll go down to the lowest speed. If you keep pressing it, it'll turn itself off. I hope this short video helps. Thanks.